what is a mommy makeover? A mommy makeover at Asia Pacific Plastic Surgery, my practice in Honolulu, means many different things. This is really because the patient's concerns after having babies can really vary from one patient to another. The most classic procedures that I performed in a mommy makeover are a tummy tuck with liposuction and a breast augmentation in my practice. This is probably the most common combination of procedures that I see in patients, that I offer to patients. And you can think of a mommy makeover as any procedure that we do on a mom after having kids to get their body back to where they were before kids, or even better in some circumstances. There are variations of this procedure, however. In the abdomen, patients may need a full tummy tuck. They may or may not need liposuction. Most patients need some liposuction. They may be eligible for a mini tummy tuck, but that's the vast minority of patients. Most patients need a full tummy tuck after pregnancies. The surgery that I perform on the breast can also vary. So most typically, I'm doing my scarless breast augmentation with an armpit incision. We do have a procedure at Asia Pacific Plastic Surgery where we can put in an implant inside the chest and lift the breast from the inside without any scars, and we call that a scarless breast lift. The other procedure that we might perform in the breast are breast lifts, and there are different procedures there as well. There is my halo lift with the breast lift scar only around the areola. A breast lift is another variation of the surgery that I would do on the breast, and that is because the breast is drooped with pregnancy and needs to be lifted up in a higher position, and sometimes that's performed with or without implants. If a patient is a good candidate for a breast augmentation or a scarless breast lift, we do need to make some cut on the breast to lift the breast by taking out skin, sometimes breast tissue, sometimes making the breast smaller to lift the breast into a higher position. The other things that a patient might ask for to be included in a mommy makeover are labiaplasty, fat transfer to the buttocks, some sort of skin procedure in the face usually, because sometimes something like melasma, which is pigment of the face, can occur after pregnancy. And those are the main procedures that we think about when we think about a mommy makeover. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this content, please give us a like, comment, or subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time for more about mommy makeover.